In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an expense manually in Xero accounting software. So if you're new to this, I'm going to give you a breakdown of what you need to do to manually add an expense. So go to business, and once you've clicked on business, you can then go to expense claims. Now you are going to need to set up expenses, but it is as simple as following the instructions on screen. You just go ahead and click the accounts that you want to be able to expense to. So in my case, I just chose general expenses, and then once you've done that, you can go ahead and then create your own expenses. You'll see it on the screen, just flick through the instructions. Then once you've created and you've set up expenses, you can go new expense, we can go expense claim. Now we can start to enter in our expense. So let's say we needed to park up somewhere and we needed to pay £20 in parking. We're going to put here London parking. Let's say this was necessary for our business. Spent at London. Spent on 16th of May. And we're going to put this in the direct expenses account. You can assign this to a project or a customer if you have any, but in our case, very simple. If you've got a receipt, you can go ahead and upload it by clicking on upload, and you can just take a picture on your phone and upload it. You can then go ahead and approve this, and once you've approved the expense, it will then be created. And now it's going to be in the to be paid section. So here you can see you've got expenses and you've got to pay one. You can go ahead and click pay on that, and you can mark it as paid if you paid already. So you can put here date paid. Let's just put the same day that we were parking, so the 16th of May. We can put paid from, and you can put here where or what account it was paid from. You can then click add payment, and it will then update that and mark your expense as paid. So that's how you can manually add an expense in Xero.